After 5 consecutive sessions of gains, we're seeing the Australian share market giving back today, down by 0.6%. It's the banks and the energy stocks which are dragging down the market, but still for the week, it is the 5th consecutive week of gains for the Aussie share market. And that's nice to see, given that May is often known as the weakest month of the year, also known as confession season. Certainly we are seeing a big confession on the market today, with Ainsworth Gaming down 36% after a profit downgrade. Previously, it was forecasting that the second half profit before tax would be modestly ahead of what it saw in the previous corresponding period at $42 million. It's now forecasting $16 million in terms of that number. Having a look at some of the other results on the market, and Macquarie Group coming out with a record full year result. The stock is trading up 0.4%, net profit up by 15%, slightly below where consensus stood, but the final dividend higher than expected. It is forecasting next financial year to be broadly in line with this financial year, but of course Macquarie Group does have a habit of under-promising and over-delivering. And finally, Certex is to come back online at 3:40 p.m. and we are expecting to see the shares take a big jump after another takeover bid. This bid is now from China's CDH. It's a conditional cash bid at $33.60 per share. So all in all, a little bit of weakness to end off what's been a pretty good week for the Aussie share market. Next week we will be watching the federal government's budget, which is due out on Tuesday night.